Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the Hotel Studio Sofa Bed Home Furniture Leather Loveseat with Stainless Steel Foot Combination Chaise-Longue, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. You know how it feels when you've had a long day and all you want to collapse onto something comfortable? That's exactly what this sofa bed is promising, a comfortable retreat from the world that's just a few steps away from your front door. It's perfect for small houses where every inch counts, and who can blame you for wanting to make the most of every square foot? I've got to say, I'm really excited to dive into the features of this product because it seems like something that could totally change the game for anyone with limited space. Let's take a closer look. One of the things that really caught my eye is the leather material. It feels delicate, wear-resistant, and tear-resistant all at once. It's like they've taken the best parts of high-end furniture and distilled them into something affordable and accessible. And because it's made from imported leather, I know I'm getting a top-notch product that's going to last me for years to come. Another feature that stood out to me is the stainless steel frame. It's clear that they've put a lot of thought into designing this sofa bed with durability in mind. The height of the inner frame has been upgraded and thickened, which should provide some serious stability and support. And let's be real, who doesn't love the look of stainless steel? It's sleek, sophisticated, and adds a touch of modernity to any room. But what really sets this sofa bed apart from the competition is its attention to detail when it comes to comfort. The export-grade high-density sponge is something I've only seen in high-end mattresses. It's like they're saying, we know you're going to spend a lot of time on this sofa, so we're going to make sure it's as comfortable as possible. And with down-particle cotton and fluffy high-elastic pockets filling out the cushions, I can already imagine how great it feels to sink into this sofa after a long day. I've been using this sofa bed for a week now, and I have to say, it's been a game changer. The extra narrow armrests are perfect for freeing up more space in small houses, and the leather material is holding up beautifully. It's also incredibly easy to assemble, no screws or complicated instructions required, which is always a bonus. Of course, like any product, there are a few things that might not be perfect. Some people have mentioned that the cushions can feel a bit firm at first, but after a day or two of use, they seem to soften up nicely. And because this is a sofa bed, it's clear that it's designed for functionality rather than fashion. But honestly, I think that's part of its charm. All in all, I'm really impressed with the Hotel Studio Sofa Bed Home Furniture Leather Loveseat with Stainless Steel Foot Combination Chaise-Longue. It's not perfect, but it's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a comfortable and stylish sofa bed that's designed specifically for small spaces. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews. The link to grab the Hotel Studio Sofa Bed Home Furniture Leather is right below in the description. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.